Coroline corrugated bitumen sheet is a tough, lightweight roofing material. Hard-wearing and waterproof, Coroline can be used on garden sheds, garages, stables and agricultural buildings. Step 1. Preparation. Plan your project in advance. Ensure your roof is in good condition and make any necessary repairs before you begin installation of the Coroline sheets. Pay particular attention to the construction of the roof section. In this case, it consists of an 80mm plywood decked roof supported on timber trusses. Check that the roof deck is sufficiently thick to accept penetration from the Coroline fixings. Otherwise, you will need to substitute the nail fixing with a suitable proprietary screw using the Coroline washer and cap assembly to seal the fixing. Each Coroline sheet is 950mm wide and 2000mm long and has a cover width of 855mm. Before starting, have the right materials ready. For this pitched roof, 2.5 meters by 2 meters, you will need the following materials. And make sure you have the correct tools for the job before beginning. Step 2. Determining roof pitch. For roof pitches of less than 10 degrees, the required sheet end lap is 300mm. At 10 to 15 degrees, the sheet end lap is 200mm. And at more than 15 degrees, the end lap is 170mm. Step 3. Fixing the sheets. Lay out the sheet, positioning square to the line of the eaves and verge. The sheet should overhang both verge and eaves. Take care that the overhang does not exceed 70mm in the case of the eaves. Cut Coroline sheets to length using a handsaw with a lubricating spray on the blade. Secure the sheet in place and fix to the verge using Coroline fixings at 100mm centers. Continue to install the sheet on the roof. Fix through the crown of the corrugation. Use a Coroline fixing at every corrugation to the top and bottom of the sheet and at every other corrugation in the middle course. Set the next sheet in place with the required side lap and fix in place. Repeat until the roof is fully covered. Step 4. Fixing the ridge. To fix the ridge, align the ridge pieces on the sheets and fix onto the roof, using the preformed end lap grooves on the ridge piece to define the end lap. Secure the ridge pieces with Coroline fixings at every other corrugation. This roofing material is available in 4 colours and comes with a range of fixing accessories. Coroline sheets are extremely light in weight, making handling and installation very easy.